Hi, this is the unboxing and review of the Bakon BK950D portable soldering station. Inside you can find a tip, in this case a T12 B-type, that is the pointed one, the handle with a nice rubbery, almost I think it's silicone cord, the soldering station itself with the European power plug in this case, crappy little stand with a sponge, a huge manual with a couple of safety instructions and a tip on how to power it up, and greeting cards from warranty card, actually from Bakon. That's it. How you put it together is pretty straightforward. You unloose all the cable tie, you open the tip, nice one, you put it in place, forcing until it will sit firmly in place, and you connect the connector straight to the only possible one. That's it. Should work. Let's power it up. Plug it to the main with the proper grounding, and let's see if it powers on with the power switch that you can find here. Well, at least it's not blowing up. Whoa, super fast. Let's see if it's already hot. Well, not yet. Blinking, blinking, blinking. Not yet, but it's coming. Oh, almost done. And that's it. Whoa, super fast. So far so good. Looks fine. Program 1 at 250 degree. Program 5, okay, the other direction. Anyway, 450. Super fast. Not bad at all. Smoking a bit, that's fine. So program 4, 400 degree. Program 3, 330. Program 2, 300. And program 1, we already see it, 250. Not bad at all. Looks fine. Let's see how it takes to cool down. Well, to cool down slowly, of course. Well, not bad. That's right. Nice. Really nice. We can also adjust the temperature by changing the program up or down, up or down. Quite fast. If we keep it pressing the buttons, I think we can also change the temperature by a single degree for each step. Not bad. How to go on program again? I will not read the manual, that's for sure. Okay, you will press it again and we'll switch again on program. That's fine. Wow, pretty easy. Not bad at all. That's it. It works perfectly. It is really small. It doesn't take so much space on the bench. You can also hang it out on the wall close to the bench. This is absolutely useless. I think I will throw it away and try to use something like this to keep the soldering iron in place without the possibility to burn myself. And absolutely the main thing are the cartridge. There's I think as you know, these are T12 cartridge, basically are tips with the heat element inside it, and also the temperature sensor. Everything is self-contained, and basically changing the tip, you're changing the heating element, the temperature sensor, everything. And this is the same for a much expensive soldering station like the Bakon 951 that has that use the same T12 cartridge, and a huge variety of soldering station that use this nice technology. Actually is like a repurposed laptop power supply with the temperature controller on it, and that's it. You can use it on the bench, but you can carry on the tool bag quite easily. The only thing I don't like, I already said, is the crappy stand. I don't particularly like the tips that comes with it as a default. That is the pointed one, pretty short. I think that it will be fine for some job, but I would much prefer the bevel one. So I bought myself the T12BC2. That is this. Get in focus, please. Thank you. Is the one with the screwdriver type. No, actually, it's the bevel one for drag soldering, all this kind of stuff. This will fit better my needs. And what else? Well, this is pretty much it. I found that, and I also had this issue myself. And there are a lot of complaints on several forums about the soldering station that is not detecting the tip and the heating element, giving an error on the display. I had the same issue once switching the tips, and I found that in the handler, where the tip get in contact with the metal plates that gives the power, and does also the contact for the ground and the sensor, for the temperature sensor. Sometimes there's not a perfect contact, so basically I had to open the handle and bend a bit the contact inside, and that's it. That was pretty easy. I will see how this fit my needs and let you know if I will find something ugly. One of my main concern is the distance between the tip and the hand. This is a huge improvement and a nice thing of this station, because you can solder pretty close to the components and to the solder that you are applying. But I want to see if during a long usage this part will get hot. At the moment with 300 degrees on the tip, this is hot, yes. The handle is absolutely cool, and I can barely recognize that the soldering iron is powered on. So we'll see how it will perform, and I will try to make some test to compare it against my other soldering station. That's it. Bye.